Alright, I've got it turned on, heated up, and I'm going to go to the higher wattage, which is 800 watts, to make it whistle. It doesn't whistle. Okay, so that's the whistle. Change it back to 200 watts. There's a switch on the side labeled 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So the water is hot, and I believe now I'm supposed to lift this lever and hold it in place for a couple of seconds or a few seconds. I got the espresso in there, a bunch of it. I think it could be ground finer, but that's the way Starbucks did it. Raise the handle and hold it up for some seconds and then lower it with force. Up. And lower it with force. Oh yeah. And it says repeat to get the quantity of coffee that you want based on the grounds or strength of coffee that you want. Maybe we could do it again. There you go. I made some previously. It's cooled down a little bit. Nice, dark, thick Italian espresso, the way it's meant to be. Pretty damn good. I think with a slightly finer ground, I believe this baby could produce some awfully perfect espresso every time. I would say it is in perfect working condition, except it doesn't whistle, it kind of hums or whatever. And it goes to the high bidder on eBay.